welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Marilyn, and if you're not new, welcome back. So today I'm super excited because I got an Influenster VoxBox, and it's this one right here, and I'm super excited because it's the first time they sent me something from Hourglass. So I'm super excited to show you guys what they sent me, and this actually came wrapped in like a plastic envelope type of thing. Anyways, if you guys don't know what Influenster is, it is a company that sends out free products for you to try out and review. All you have to do is sign up, and it's completely free, and you have to connect your social media, your Instagram, your Facebook, your YouTube. Well, actually you can't connect your YouTube right now because they haven't done an agreement with Google so they could get our information and all of that. But anyways, connect your Twitter and any other social media that you have, and once you're all installed and everything, you have to do the snaps and you have to write reviews of the stuff that you've already tried. Even if you dislike it, just write a review and explain why you liked it or why did you dislike it and all of that. And on Influencer you could also add people. It's like Instagram, and you follow them and you like their stuff, and once you interact with people and write reviews, they will send you an email asking if you want to join a campaign for a certain product, and you say yes, and you just go through the survey and tell them the products that you like. That's pretty much it. So easy, and sometimes it takes a while for you to get an email from Influencer, but sometimes you get it right away. So anyways, if you guys want to join, I will have the link in the description box so you guys could go check it out. It's completely free. So anyways, let's get into this unboxing. So here is the box again. It's super cute. So it didn't come with tape or anything because it did come in that big plastic bag, or like plastic envelope. So anyways, here we go. Ta-da! This is what it looks like inside. It comes with a card. I have super bad allergies today. Okay, anyways, so it comes with a card, and it just has information of the product that they send me, and it also says what I have to do for this VoxBox. Like, I have to write a review and share it on Instagram. So anyways, here is the product. They send me a mascara, and this is what the little box looks like. It's super cute. So it says unlocked instant extension mascara, Hourglass. I really like the little bunny right here. It's so cute. And I got the shade Ultra Black. So I'm super excited for this mascara. And it came in perfect time because the one that I use, the superhero mascara, is already drying out. So I will be using this today. Not in this video though. I'm going to do a separate video using this mascara. So anyways, here is the mascara. It's super cute. It comes with a gold packaging, and it feels really heavy. I mean, not super heavy, but it feels heavier than a regular mascara. Yeah, it definitely feels heavier than this superhero mascara. So I'm super excited for this, and it has a logo right there with a little bunny. So cute. And it comes with a little paper inside of here. So let's see. It said instructions of how to use a mascara, or what? Okay, so it does come with instructions of how to use this mascara. So it says directions: starting at the base of the lashes, pull mascara brush straight through from root to tip. One application provides an instant effect, but a second coat can be added for more length and lift. For a more dramatic lengthening effect, use the Hourglass lash curler before applying mascara. Well, I don't use lash curler, so that's not gonna happen. To remove, splash warm water onto ice. Use fingers to gently slide mascara off the lashes. So this is not waterproof, but it's okay because it's not like I'm going out anywhere right now, so I don't really mind if it's not waterproof. So it says that this mascara transforms lashes with film forming technology that coats from root to tip for a high impact standout finish. I'm going to open it to show you guys the wand, since I am going to be using it today. And this is what it looks like. So I'm super excited for this. Let me know in the comments if you guys have already tried out this mascara and what do you guys think. So anyways, in the next video I will be trying out this mascara and showing you guys how it looks and if there's any difference. I was going to do it in this video, but I don't want it to get super long, so I'll just do it in a separate video. Anyways, if you guys haven't tried out Influencer, make sure to go sign up. It's completely free. Well, anyways, that is all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching my little mini unboxing video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye guys.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if it's fair.